welcome.
Hey Bec, thanks for having us. Tell us about this impressive facade.
So our dream home was inspired by a lot of our overseas travel. I wanted to evoke the same feeling that we felt when we were travelling as a family. I was inspired a lot by Greek architecture, Italian architecture and materials and finishes. The stone choice reminded me of cobblestone and crazy paved driveways when we were overseas. But I really wanted the external architecture to be something bold and different. So I chose this solid core door from Corinthian because it fit the brief of bold but understated. I wanted to paint it a bold colour, and we've actually carried this gorgeous khaki green throughout lots of material finishes internally. The pivot function added a bit of wow factor as well, and I wanted to finish it off with this custom design handle. I think that it's a beautiful feature because it adds to all of the beautiful curves that we have happening externally, but we've also carried that same handle through lots of the custom joinery internally. It all works and looks really beautiful. I can show you through.
How did you choose your interior doors?
So when selecting the interior doors, it was really important that we had consistency with what we'd selected for our front door. So we went with the solid core door from Corinthian, and we did that because it gives us a really beautiful, minimal, seamless paint finish. We wanted the architectural details to be a feature, so we went with a full height. We eliminated the architraves, and we also went for concealed hinges. The full height doors is a really beautiful architectural feature, which is a great way to sort of lead you into the main centerpiece of our home, which is that gorgeous double height void in the main living space, which I can show you now.
Oh wow. Tell us about this space.
So with our home, I really wanted to create that resort-like feel. I wanted to have natural stones throughout the home as a main feature, and I really love being in this space. It's a really calming space to be. It can be loud and noisy with the kids, but I feel like at the end of the day, I love being in here with my family. It feels really beautiful. So that's my house. Thanks for stopping by.